YouTube. I think we rally today. We got a little bit sell off of the Korean market again, bleeding out to the U.S. market. Green AI chip bubbles bursting. It's bleeding out here. We are seeing a lot of memory chips, stocks selling off, ETF, DRAMs coming back down, SMH, all this coming down. That bleeds into tech. But the Max 7, you can see that it's mixed. Not all Max 7 are down, some are up. Nvidia, obviously, since it's part of the semiconductor company, that is down for sure. Um, nothing new on the war front. Just I'm talking shit, then later on, he thanking them for releasing someone of their prisoner. One hand is like the people can't negotiate with them. They're nasty, blah blah blah. Next thing you know, oh thank you Iran because you release our prisoner. You have like thanks for a nice gesture. So like it's all words right now, pretty much. And it seemed like the whole war. I remember this time could come into a faster end because they already have the framework. They already have all that stuff done. They just need to come back and be like, all right, we're done now, done fighting now, and just sign it. So it should be a quicker turnaround. It just how much more can Iran bluff and try to puff to the chest, keep firing up outdated fucking weapons, you know? The Yeah, Meta's up 3% after our pre-market, and then Apple's up 4%. Wait, hold on, that can't be right. Oh, it is. Yeah, 4%. Sheesh. Apple up 4%, Microsoft 2%, Nvidia up 0.3% now. Tesla down, Google's up 3.6%. SMH is the one is down 1.59%. Broader tech is down 1.11%. The SR flip turned rejecting it. That's not good. We want to see that flip. You see, I think New York can make things possible. I want price to be above the weekly low here, and then we flip here too. Here's another SR flip. We flip that. That'd be great. Like come back up, we test it, or even aim for that flip here. So we get something like break. We test this zone here. SR flip, and then we just grab it back and retest here as a first target. Ultimately, that 30,000 has been like a high resistance zone too. In the 4 hour, we see that around there. We get rejection. The weekly high, just rejection. We don't definitely not gonna be anywhere close there today, but I think we get some kind of bounce today. Number one thing to pay attention to today is really SMH. That form a little bit bottoming should help. Market open. Yes. There we go. Nice. Good open. What's up, Roxy? Yeah, I'm from California, brother. Where are you from? Sunshine State. Oh my god, perfect time for my shit to go paywire. Don't want to. Oh shit, let me go back to my XFA and trade that. Looking constructive so far. Like I said, I want to see it back above the weekly low, and then bounce back to here. SMH looking like a beautiful bounce coming. Bounce, retest the SR flip here around the 479 area. Get a bounce there. I might look to go long early. Cool. Damn, how to fix the hell of shit. Okay, good route estimate so far. Good. 15-minute candle looks good. 5-minute candle looks good too. Oh, hello. Hey, Jiao, right? Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Good positive momentum. All right. Finally fix all that. Uh, Okay, Meta's down actually, but my pre-market wasn't right. Knew something was off. Okay, Meta's down 1.4. Nvidia's down 1.4. Apple's down 0.18. Not so much change there. XOK down 1.5. SMH down 2.26. Google is down 0.6. So nothing big there. Apple's down 1.6. That's as far as the Max 7 goes. A lot of things still red. That's cool. No divergence is good. So when they rally, they can rally together. We can get a nice rally instead of a chop market. Or blow here. Looks like it's still selling off. Fine. Couldn't hold the SR flip. Never got that, so we couldn't go long. Looks like we're still bleeding out. SMH selling off now. Okay, same thing. Should see double bottom from yesterday. Let's see what XOK holds here. Broad attack. Go back to the 1 minute. Also, a lot of guys are trying to request Devon's strategy. Yeah, I think if you guys read his comments, there is really no strategy. he he clearly states he goes by intuition, and he scouts like in 30 seconds time frame, and he goes in like probably 30 on or more. Quick try to get in and out, and yeah, it's not sustainable. I don't think it is. You seen that he has great payouts, but like I said, it is not sustainable. More importantly, you should ask him like, how much are you spending on combines? Because he could be just blowing a lot of accounts out too afterwards. But yeah, I mean, if it's working for him, great. Like it is, looks like it's working for now. But I don't think it's gonna work for the average trader. One wrong move, wrong entry, and your account is blown. Especially on 25K account. But he has high risk like that, and it looks like it's working for him. Still not gonna bite into this yet. Gotta see more strength into the more strength. At least back up this pivot area. 150. 450. Sorry. We get no sorry. 479. So 480. If I should get about 480, it'll look a bit more attractive. Right now, not yet. Okay, XOK is bleeding out into the previous day low. Well, that's not good. And SMH hasn't made a sign up back up from here yet. Nvidia just continue to sell off. 208 now. 200. Hopefully that holds. Also, if MEU doesn't hold 860, it could drag the market down some more. So AU is one of the big memory chip company that was Micron. This big, huge rally back, like was up to like $1,000, thousand something. Crashing down now. It's like 873 now. If 860 doesn't hold its support, I think it could bring some more pain to the downside. Now Intel's now under 100. Again, it's 99.80, 99.95. Like to add into those names. Wow, decent bounce all around there. You could probably grab liquidity from London low first. If you're playing the orb strategy, which if I was gonna play right now, this is a retest here, rejection. So if this kind of turn bearish, could be a good opportunity short. I'm just afraid of the London low liquidity grab, and then we fucking rally back up. There's some strong support down here, right? But if you were to short that orb strategy, that would have been it. That would have been it. Aim for 300, and then maybe a little bit more down here to the next level. Max pain. Simply because I got break it or blow, retest, rejection, and continuation right here. Look like London low is getting swept. Damn, that orb look good right now. Damn it. It's all right. It's okay. Missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Damn. Like one to one already. 1 to 1.5. 1 to 2 is right there. Nice little 1 to 2. Missed it. Oh yeah, it's bleeding. Damn. Oh, bang. Damn, that's nice. Like I said, I missed that short. I missed that short. Nope. Yep. Yep. 1.2. Exactly would have been TP. 1.2. Yeah. Smash one or two right there. Ah, yeah. It's all right. I missed that one. So the reason it was here is see the orb low. We marked the 5 minute orb, 5 minute candle low here, 5 minute candle high. It broke under. You can see that clear, nice little break under there, and then it got retest. And see this long wick here. That's a rejection of the orb, and then the follow through. You see rejection, follow through candle here, even in big engulfing candle. So in between this candle, you want to enter short. It would have got paid. Would have got paid. Um, I didn't enter because I was anticipating it too long, and then also I had a upside bias. I was a bullish bias today, and then that kind of like I overlooked it. Oh, Apple is just ripping out of nowhere. Wow. See the Meg 7 can hold strength, and we see some strength back into tech. MU is doing. What is MU doing? Oh no, MU's lost 860. That's not good. Oh yeah, we're bleeding out. Wow. Probably gonna get more than that. The next support level is down here at the 29 154. This is my next pivot level. I'm most likely I'm gonna be a buyer down here. Next target. It'll come back up. Let's hope so. What's up, Chris? I hate trying to catch the knife though. But if you catch the bottom, it's always nice. But it's one of those things that's hard to do. Hard to do. Rather play the trend. The trend right now is down. There you go. Screen's back. The trend is down. Yeah, SMH is bleeding now. We're 570. Oh, we're under previous day low. Testing the previous week low. Previous week low on SMH is 567. Let me check momentum. Has that changed? No. Can't even break up the 9 EMA yet, so I don't trust that yet. Oh, it looks like a 3-bar reversal now, though. Looking a little bit better. We're above the 9 EMA. Even a stronger candle here. SM21 now. See how it does. Could be retest a London low rejection and then continue sell off. Be a little patient here. Let's see how strong this is. The estimation looking strong though. On the bounce. So is XOK. So is everything else. Everything else line up for a little bit of a bounce here. All bullish candle. All engulfing candle too. Okay, I'm gonna risk long.
Order filled.
And then we try to get back to the order lower. I'm long here at 341. Stops at 281. Don't get a rejection now. What the fuck, man? I just got in. Big rejection off that. Fuck. Rejection on London low. God damn it. I got played. I got played. Hold here, please. Oh, don't play me like that. All right, look, just a little too. That's a little pullback. It's gonna go back. It's gonna go back. Have faith. Have faith. It will recover. It will recover. We're gonna get a bounce. There, we're gonna get a bounce. There we go. There we go. See, a little pullback. Come on. Pull through, break through London low. You can do it. Ah, no, failed. Failed. I don't like that. The second injection now. That should have been it. Damn.
Order filled.
Ah, stopped out. Yep. Mm, nasty. London low rejection. Fuck. Follow through. Pain. Still leaning for a bounce though. Let's see. See let's make this close up. Still leaning for it. It look like they're still trying to. Starting to get a bounce here still. Wicks both ends. Let me see.
Order
I'm
filled.
going back and long again. I have my stop at that wick low at 257. Still trying for that high back up or below here. So I'm back in long again. 311. Stop 257. TP at, let's aim for that 429. Let's try again. Let's try again. Second attempt. There you go. There you go. I like that. Oh, this time it should do it. It should do it this time. Don't reject here again. Do it. Look at all the rejection still. Fuck. Come on. I'm adding to this if we can hold above 360. Go for a nasty rejection again. I like that play enough where I'm gonna do this on a combine too.
Order filled.
Ooh, too much. All I need for 1.5. I'll set it for max pain. I'll set it for max pain. Come on, yeah, break above London low. Break above 355. Hold it. Hold down, smash. One more minute. I think there's some data coming out. A 7-2 could help some home data. You definitely could break even here. Just be a little safe. Adjust up my stop a little bit. Come on, do it. Yeah, 17 seconds left. I like how Apple is just making a move here. Second strong candle as SMH. That's good. NXOK. That's good. Okay, data came out. See how that goes. Looking good. All right, come on, hold it.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm going for it. I'm gunning for it. Add another 3 here. Gunning for it. There we go. Get that bounce. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Have faith in this. Give us a big move. 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 Let's go. There. Come on. I should trim, but I'm holding to it. Come on. I can do better than that. That's 3 consecutive green candle, 5-minute candle right so far in SMH. That's okay. Bring this rally back. Oh, come on, NVIDIA. Stop disappointing right now. Where's MU at? MU. Okay, 867. Good. MU rally too. Good. Nice. 600 now. Okay,
Order filled.
taking half off there, and I'll move my profit up higher. I'll continue to trail this up. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Up it. Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go. I think I hit my TP on this one. Yep, 1500. Hit that. We good there. We good there. We good there. 1500 on the combine there. Almost TP. Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to take one more off here.
Order filled.
Trailing this up. Let's bring it all the way up. Fuck it. Full reversal. Get that full reversal. Let's go, Tony. Fucking that money, Tony. Hell yeah, Tony. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I love how Tony took it, man. I love how he trades. Once he get his profit, shows up, he's done for the day. I love it, Tony. Keep it up, man. Oh, he needs to leave. Oh, yeah. Give yourself an excuse. That's all. That's fine. As long as you're done early, leave. You know, our job is to extract from the market. All right, that's it. Not to beat the market. Nothing else. Make your money. You're done. Yeah. And look, that's how trading goes, right? You see how I was long earlier? I was long, but I got to stop out. It's not going to stop me from trying to go long again because my thesis is correct, right? I'm watching the market. That's why there's no such thing as perfect entry. There's no perfect entry, man. You just gotta play the chart. You know, see how the market's looking, and just go with your analyst. You analyze the market, so go with your reasoning. Um, and once you get stopped twice, then yeah, you might want to rethink it. Coming down here. Hopefully mine will pull back and then with continuation. Let's retest the orb low. A break of orb low would be great. We can look up for the upside here. So overall, almost like break even for my first trade, which I'm okay with. If I held it a little more, I'd be more in profit, obviously. But take profit now, I'll be slightly up. Either way, I call that a win. Slowing down here. MU 871. That's good. Positive bounce. MU is one of the big memory chip names, so you want to see that bounce. It's going to help with the SMH. SMH fourth green candle right now. So it's okay. Come on, let's see. Let me close it green here. $200 right now. Negative to positive today. Here we go. Give me 400. I'll be happy today. Hell yeah. Why not? That's what I'm talking about right there. Why not? Why not? Right there. If I trail this up to 200 for a day, nah, let's go for it. Let's go for it. I'm trail break even out here though. 478 will be my full TP. Not adjusting that. I want to see it break above this or below and hold though. Very close. Wow, strong candle from SMH. XLK. Yeah, we're gonna get it. It's gonna get hit. We're testing the opening range high on SMH too. Zombie reversal happening. Look at the broad attack everywhere. We've seen a V-shaped recovery too. What's up, Apple? Apple's Apple making an A now. Stupid Apple. Doing the opposite. Earlier it was rallying while the market was dumping. Now it's dumping while the market is rallying. Apple's bipolar. Almost there. $300. Almost there. I'm holding this. We're clutch. We're cashing that opening range. Come on. So close to it. I think we get there. 420. Oh, so close. So close. I'm gonna trail this tight now, so it's so close. 360 is fine. There we go. 400. 420.
Order filled.
Yeah, bam! Let's go, fam. Let's go. TP hit. All right, guys. That's it for me today. I'm not gonna trade my second FFA.
Good call, good conviction, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, hell yeah, we all made money, baby. Let's go. Oh wow, what a bounce. I was waiting for that. I told you to have a good day today. I told you Mark was gonna have a good bounce, man. Yeah, let's go. I did not fall for we could have gotten this too. Oh, that would have been a good play. Obviously that short, but since I missed it and my buy was in the way, I did not cash that short. But that was the orb strategy though. I'm gonna explain that again. We broke orb low. We had a retest candle, rejection, and then we got fall through. That was your key to enter short. Aim for 1 to 2. You got that, and then there was my target here. Saw some support come forming. Wanted to go long after the 3 candle bar. I did. However, we saw selling off, come back up, wick back off, and then saw this wick candle here. I was like, okay, there might be holding support. Saw a second candle green. I'm like, okay, give it a second chance to go long. We went long. Look what happened after that. We broke above the London low. We held it strong. I need to see that happen. We tested orb low again. We broke above. took PP here as a pivot level. This is the SR flip. We're trying to break above that now, entering orb high. If we hold the 7 this pivot level here, let's say we break above, we hold, come back, and retest. I think we see a second chance to go long for the day. But since I'm done trading, I'm not gonna entertain that trade. Just putting it out there. Ah, family use what? Okay, I answer your question and everything. What made you buy over there, over here? What made a buy? My reasoning is a lot of comes with a lot of because I'm looking at broader market, not just one chart of NQ, right? So NQ is basically Nasdaq, which a lot of people who don't know. Nasdaq is the 100 U.S. tech company, right? Top 100 tech company. It's a basket. Think of it like as a basket in the ETF. What's in those baskets are like tech companies like Nvidia, Apple, Meta, the Mag 7 pretty much. And then you got other companies like Salesforce and AMD, such and such, those big companies. What I'm looking for on the ETF is SMH is a semiconductor. That's been the number one leading for selling off the market lately because semiconductor chip has just been selling off. Korea Tech company with stock was selling off too. They're basically semi chips, the memory chips. They were selling off too. So I was looking for that to hold, see a little bit of bottom, and I start seeing that forming. First green candle, second green candle. I was like, okay, those are big strong candle too. So that's where I'm start looking for bottoms in the market, and so happen to start forming. And I'm looking at everywhere else too, like Tesla. I'm seeing Apple rally first. I'm seeing Meta. Seeing some a nice green candle too. When I start seeing bottoms across the whole market, I know that it's time for a possible reversal. So that's why I had a conviction to try to go long. I hope that answered that. And my target is usually just levels. Levels are 1 or 2. See, London's one of the level I want to see break, and then the orb low level is one the level I want to see first. And after we kind of got near there, I said I wanted to see a little bit more. After I took some off, this is my second level. Is that pivot level here, the SR reversal pivot. High time frame, you can possibly see it probably in 5 minutes right there. That's why I had that level. That's the pivot level. Want to see that hold so we can break the structure to the downside, and then we go back up, right? You want to see this. This right here has to be very important to hold. Hold meaning it has to break above green candle, come back down with trace and see support here. But if this holds, we can see the next target up to 645. That's what I want to see happen. If you see a strong market rally, you want to see that happen and target this level here, and then possibly take out towards the Asia high at the end of the day. But this level has to hold. The 480, 490 has to hold. And that's just basic price action, right? You can understand price action, smart money concept, whatever you want to call it. It's just understanding your highs, your lows, and just know market. It's never straight line. There's always ups and downs, peaks and valleys. Oh yeah, Tony, I could go over that before I leave. Yeah, so Asia session, I don't use orb because it's just not enough volume to use orb. Orb is better when there's some volatility and volume to it. Asia, you don't get that. Sometimes you do, but even that's why if sometimes you get it, it's not consistent enough to use orb, right? Where versus like London Open and New York, we always get volume regardless what. So with that volume, you can use the orb strategy. With Asia, I will look into just high time frame, like a 15-minute something. That way you avoid a lot of those chop noise because of the low volume chop. Let's look at a 15-minute time frame and just play the structure and have levels. Pretty much play levels. It's very important. Just play the current the New York high, New York low levels like that. See those levels how it react to an Asia session. That's how you play. And then normally I just wait for the Tokyo Open to trade Asia. I don't trade the Asia Open. Asia Open for California time is like 3 p.m. Tokyo Opens at 5. That's when the real market the aftermarket opens for New York. So I'll wait. That's why and more volume comes in too, the Tokyo Open. So I'd rather trade Tokyo Open. And usually like there's always like an inverse too. Like you see Asia Open at 3 and probably sells off, and then around 4 o'clock it starts to see a little bit of reversal towards the Tokyo Open, and then Tokyo could possibly just reverse that and just go up the opposite direction. But the more you just pay attention and watch the market, like certain market, you start to understand its behavior, and that could help you with your trading. So I hope that helps. Like pay attention to it. Just keep paying attention. You don't have to trade it, but make a journal, make a log note. Like how does Asia open and how does it open during this time when Tokyo open? Like what is the behavior? What does it do most often? You know that is going to help your trading career long term. And then you can do that for London too if you stick up for the London Open. But that's too late for me. I get home too tired to trade that. Yeah, I'm from California, bro. I'm at work that time. But I no my work allows me to have some flexibility where I can trade online and stuff like that. I don't do much at work. Let's just say that. Don't tell my boss that. But yeah, I don't do much at work. uh, all right, YouTube. Anyways, I gotta go. Time's running out. I gotta get ready for work soon and breakfast and all that good stuff.